Collective nouns for birds. A gaggle of geese. A parliament of owls. A stand of flamingos. A flight of swallows. A murder of crows. A squabble of seagulls. A convocation of eagles. A pod of pelicans. A colony of vultures. A descent of woodpeckers. A flock of birds. A brood of chicken. A bevy of quails. A company of parrots. A host of sparrows. A dole of doves. A muster of peacocks. A pride of ostriches. A cast of falcons. A charm of hummingbirds.
Like and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates of our latest learning materials. Turn on the notification too.